Hello my friends, today I'm gonna unbox the new boat from boat.With, the double horse 7012, the Swan Man Company. This is a very nice looking boat. Let's see what it is included in the box. First of all, the manual. The manual, unfortunately, it is in Chinese language. With the pictures you can see something, but I don't understand what he said. I try to explain to you everything that I knew. Okay. Secondly, there is a charger for the battery, charger for the battery, and the typical pistol type remote control. Let's show you the battery that it is included here. The battery is a 9-volt battery. You see it. It is not like the AA or 3A's batteries. It is a 9-volt battery, which means that it's powerful and long-lasting one. Let's see if it's working or not working. Open it. Okay, see, it's working. The battery is working. Here is the trim for the left and for the right. There's the trim and the wheel, the driving wheel, which is, I think, very nice wheel. It's a 2.4 gigahertz remote control. It's very easy to control the boat with this remote. Also, it is included in the box the stand for the boat. You need the stand to have the boat near you in the sea, on the pool, wherever you go to have a ride in the water. Let's open it to see what it is inside the boat. Oh, nice, very nice. First of all, you can see the battery. It is a Li-ion battery, 1100 milliamperes, 7.4 volts. It's a Li-ion battery with a GST connectors. You see the GST connector. This is the receiver box. Here is the receiver box. Here is the receiver box. Very well protected, all the electronic materials. The brass motor. You will see in the water how strong it is, the power of that motor, and the servo. There is also here one fan to cool in the motor. You see, very nice, very nice, because the motor, it is well close, cannot take air from anywhere, so this fan is cooling the motor. I think this is very nice idea, this one. And of course the typical rudder for this kind of boats with a propeller. The length of the boat itself, it is 39 centimeters from here to there, the hull length. The overall length of the boat from the bottom to the end, it is 46 centimeters. 39 centimeters is the hull, and the all till here is 46 centimeters. The battery that included written in the manual. It's for 6 minutes ride, which be okay, and the distance of the remote is about 100 meters. That's good, of course. This is the main information that I can give you for this kind of boat. The new one from Double Horse, the 7012 boat, fast racing, 2.4 gigahertz, 4-channel, high-speed RC racing boat. Later in the day, I will go to the lake if there is good conditions to have the maiden ride in the lake to see the performance of this boat. Another point that I would like to share with you is some necessary steps to do just before go into the boat, to the water. First of all, every time that I'm preparing for a ride, I put over there very well a tape well glued to not permit the water to go into the hull. This is a necessary action to do every time when you run the boat. Don't put it in the water without this saving, let's say, procedure. Secondly is how to maintain this boat. When you come back from the sea or from the pool or from the lake or whatever you have the ride, you have to clean very well the boat with a dry soft thing to clean very well. And then I'm using the Q20, which is a spray. It's a special spray, the Q20, which remove is for multi purposes. Is a lubricant oil and is heavier than the water and displaces moisture and ignition system, sparks, such as sparks, plugs, everywhere you can put it, and prevent the rust, which is one very dangerous for the boats like this one, the rust. I am using this Q20 for 2 years now, and I don't have any problem with all my boats that I have in my hands, and all they are in very good condition. Another point that I would like to share with you now, this presentation was done from a friendly country. I'm in Bulgaria for my vacations under these fantastic trees over there and flowers, and you will show more my presentation from this friendship country. Thank you very much watching this unboxing video. Expecting in my next video will be with the ride with this fantastic boat into the lake, in the Bulgarian lake in Lobos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.